This video shows you how to work with spaces in Qlik Cloud Analytics Standard. In Qlik Cloud Analytics Standard, you have two space types, personal space and shared spaces. Your personal space is your own private work area. Users with the Private Analytics Content Creator role can create analytics content in personal spaces. You cannot share apps from your personal space, and other users cannot collaborate with you. Shared spaces are used to develop apps collaboratively and share them with other users in the space. Shared spaces can be created by tenant and analytics administrators and users with shared space creator role. In the Type section, select Shared. Managed spaces are only available in the Qlik Cloud Analytics Premium subscription. A team might have a shared space for the private development and consumption of their own apps. In a shared space, you can create new apps or upload apps directly in a shared space. You can also move apps from your personal space to a shared space so that other members can work on them. You can invite members to a space to collaborate with them. If your tenant administrator has enabled groups, you can add groups of members to your space. You can assign permissions to them to define what members can do in the shared space. Members can be added to the space by the space owner or members with the Can Manage role. You can also select some permissions to assign to anyone in the tenant to easily share content with everyone in the tenant. Clicking on the Details tab, you can see space details. Under Notifications, you can enable notifications for spaces, apps, and notes. Under Data Sources, you can add data files and data connections directly to spaces. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.